So I'm a qualified accountant with the Institute of Chartered Accountants Ireland. During my master's programme, I was elected Student of the Year. That was voted on by both my college mates and my peers. Unfortunately, I don't know how I got it, but I'll happily take it. In terms of rugby, I have been voted Referee of the Year with the Munster Association of Referees, and the other one is being nominated and selected for the IRFU national panel as a referee. There's two aspects of downtime. One is rugby refereeing, and secondly will be travelling. But definitely with the rugby refereeing, it's something that takes up a significant amount of time.
Crouch! Bind!
I've been involved now for 9 to 10 years, and I've been fortunate enough to be appointed to a number of competitions, being local, underage, Munster Junior League matches, Ulster Bank League, British and Irish Cup, Pro 14. The aspiration would be in years to come to be involved in the European Cup competitions. I have been fortunate enough to officiate at some of the best stadiums in the country. You'd be used to seeing your heroes play on that pitch, and you get to be a part of a match on that pitch yourself. So the second other one would be travelling. Big part of it outside of the office, trying to get away and experience as many cultures as I can. The travel bug is there, so hopefully that will continue into the future. The aspirations on the bucket list will be go to Hawaii, New Zealand, South America, and that's all work pending at the end of the day. The plan would be to put time aside and go to Japan next year to experience it, because I think it'd just be once in a lifetime opportunity. Communication and problem solving, like that when you're on a pitch or be it in the office, you're presented with a couple of facts, a few scenarios, you have to assess it, apply it to the applicable law or standard that may be there, and then decide on what's the appropriate course of action to take from that. And like that, it's a case of either talking to, be it on the rugby pitch when you're explaining your decision to the players in question, or if you're in the office speaking to a client, when you discuss the facts of the matter and communicate it appropriately, there's greater buy-in and understanding from it, so that it leads to a better outcome for all involved. Unfortunately, every game is difficult. There's no easy game out there. It's based on the fact that every game you're learning. If you go out on the rugby pitch and it's not a hard game or it's not testing you, you've done it, you've reached the top, and so you might as well just give it up at that point in time. There's nothing that grates on me, but there's one decision that has been brought up and continues to be brought up to me. Last season I was doing a Schools Cup semi-final, and my friend had been appointed to the final in Thomond Park, and had been planned that it was a double header, the Senior Cup final and the Junior Cup final. However, with 3 minutes to go in the Junior Cup final, I awarded a clear-cut penalty to the team that was trailing by 3 points. They ended up kicking the penalty, ended in a draw, went to a replay, which meant that my friend missed out on his big day out in Thomond Park, live on Air Sports. So to this day, it's a case of, it's a shocking decision, you ruined it, but it's, I still stand over the correct decision at the time. The variety of what's involved, no 2 days are the same. The client base that we have is varied, and there is a great relationship inside there, that everybody is there to help each other. No one is above anybody else, and we're all there to, whatever way we can, help each other out. Like that, there is a good team spirit inside there, and especially like that on my own team, I take great pride in seeing trainees come in, develop over the course of their training programme, and seeing them flourish into their chosen profession.